TGT, stock analysis, massive update for Monday and onwards. Am I buying now is the question, which I'll be breaking down in this quick 1-minute video. Now, nobody else in this space, in this world, has done more than 45,000 videos like this. I've documented them all. It's all on my YouTube channel, done the most. And it's taken me 5 years and tens of thousands of dollars on courses and mentors to figure the data, you know, to figure this stuff out. Well, the strategy that I'm currently using, again, is all based on my data that I've refined over 5 years and 45,000 videos. And with the target corporation, I mentioned that I want to see a double break in order for me to move forward. And I mean, that's a very a higher time frame commitment that I'm like hoping I see. But on the lower time frame, just to kind of jot everything down, we can clearly see that we have a pretty consistent bullish market. And from how things are looking like, there's nothing in my way that's stopping me from buying more. Well, here's the biggest caveat here. It's not that Monday opens now and like now market open, right? Then I'm going to randomly buy. No, I just hope I see a little pull down and then a double break. That's what I'm trying to say. So let me know what is your opinion on TGT. And if you want to stay tuned and get free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. See you in the next one.